I just want to introduce to everyone what is Hybris, and are there any different things between Hybris and the other e-commerce platform? And maybe in the very near future, we will need some more hybrid developer. I'm not sure the plan, but maybe 5 or 6. So it's also useful for HR team can filter the profile, can discuss something with the candidates. On this presentation, I will not too focus on the technical point, just give you the very overview about this platform. Thank everyone for joining, and let's start it. So you heard a lot of the time about SAP Hybris, SAP Commerce, or just Hybris. So what is it? You can see the short definition on the slideshow. But you can understand symbol like this one. You know a lot of e-commerce platform before example Magento, Shopify, or Teamwear. Hybris or SAP Commerce is different version. It is also the e-commerce platform, and the functionality is mostly the same. And this is the omni-channel platform. So what is omni-channel? Omni-channel is multi-channel approach to sell, focus on providing seamless customer experience. So the definition is too complex, right? So let me briefly explain about this one. Maybe you heard about headless commerce, right? Headless commerce mean no head. Head mean the storefront. So it means that the data can stay in the Hybris, and the storefront can lie in the other platform, in the other the storefront. Example, you build the e-commerce website, and you want to build the mobile application in Android, and iOS. So, but you want to the data have to consistent together, and omni-channel can resolve your problem. You can share everything together via web service, via OCC. So this means omni-channel or headless commerce. Go to the next. And this is the version history of Hybris. At the beginning, the name of this platform is Hybris. This is not SAP or SAP Commerce, and it was introduced in Switzerland in 1997. And the founder come from Germany, and our company also come from Germany, right? So I think this is the common thing between Hybris and NFQ Asia. After 16 years, in 2013, SAP, this company were acquired by SAP. SAP, very famous company on our industry, right? Very famous. They very famous in ERP system, in C4C or something like this. And after that, they decide to buy this platform. And in 2018, Hybris will integrate into the SAP customer experience or SAP CX. SAP CX actually is a group of the solution. It consists 5 different solutions. Example, customer data, including customer data, marketing, sales, SAP service, and SAP Hybris. So if someone talk about SAP CX, it doesn't mean this is Hybris. Hybris just is the part of the SAP CX. So in this slide, you can know why they always call SAP Commerce is Hybris, because Hybris is the original name of this platform. And on this platform, there are the funding version for everyone can join and get the funding gift from our team. So Hybris was introduced in 1997, right, in Switzerland. After 16 years in 2013, but please don't use Google. Please swear with I don't know the reply in English, but in Vietnam maybe call it lương tâm. Please swear with your lương tâm. Don't use Google, and you can type in something on the estimate price at that time. how much did it cost in 2013? This is the startup company in 1997, right? After 16 years. So how much did it cost last time? So you have 1 minute. You can type in the estimation price for this platform after 16 years. And Thúy, can you help me to pick up the winner? You have 1 minute.
1.1, very close. You overestimate.
Yeah, the suggestion is very a little bit costly. So time's up. So Thúy, can you help me to pick the winner who very close with the answer? Yeah, the answer for this one is $1.5 billion in 2013 SAP price in this platform. So actually, this money is very costly last time because Hybris is the new company after 16 years, and that is the big event last time. And you can go as the version history in the slide. At the beginning, the version is 4 or 5, but currently the new version is 20.05 or 21.05. You can see from the 2019, the version is a little bit different. The first 2 digits is the year. December 18.08. 18 mean 2018, and 08 mean the month this version was released. So so you can see the newest version is 2011. It's the newest version, but it doesn't appear on this slide. And with some previous version, it's out of maintenance right now. So 1 or 2 years ago, we got a lot of contact like upgrade the version for Hybris. There were a lot of companies using the old version, 5 or 6 version. So you want to upgrade to the newest version. So I saw a lot of contact. I joined a lot of projects, do the upgrade version for Hybris. Yeah, next. And as I know, Hybris is based on the functionality. Hybris is mostly the same with the other the e-commerce platform. So by on topic, you can see very common functionality: example, search, marketing, product, shopping cart, add to cart, checkout, personality, or everyone. And currently in Hybris, they build a lot of templates for the other for some different company. You can see it at here: B2C template, B2B template, China oscillator. Oscillator means the default template. So when the company decide build the Hybris site, so the developer have to choose the template to match with the business, the current business. You can see some new definition here, like B2C and B2B and marketplace. So B2B and B2C very familiar with you guys here, right? B2C means business to customer. It means we sell directly for the customer. B2B is the business to business. So we will sell for the partner, for the company. This is not end user. And the new one is the marketplace. So marketplace is like you can in Vietnam you can see Shopee. So marketplace mean if you have the store, you are store owner, you want to open the new website, so you contact with Shopee and reopen and open the new store on Shopee. So it means marketplace. So in marketplace there are a lot of small store in the main website. So this means marketplace. And there are the other templates like telco, financial, or travel. Honestly, I don't have I have the mostly 7 years on Hybris platform, but I don't have any experience working with the finance or travel. they define a lot of the template like this one, because if you sell the product like the phone or the laptop, it's totally different with if you want to sell the tour, the tour, the travel tour or something like this. So by on the developer view, it's mostly the same, but by on the business unit, they are a little bit different on the business unit on the model or something like this. But by on the developer view, it's mostly the same. And in this slide, just want to introduce with you some default template in Hybris. Next, so in this one, I want to share with everyone the market segment. So you know a lot of thing about Magento, Salesforce, or Shopify, right? So it's matched with the small medium business, and SAP Commerce is matched with the large business, or any company are using the SAP ERP or something like this, because it come from the same family. So if you are using the ERP system, after that you want to open the SAP Commerce, the commerce side. So SAP is the best choice for your business. And the question is, can we build the SAP Commerce for small business? Yeah, I can say yes, but you can think like this one. You buy the gaming laptop, but you just do some simple office like Word or Excel. So that is the reason why when they open the small business or medium business, they will not apply the SAP Commerce. So this is the main reason SAP Commerce too popular, too familiar with everyone, even on the IT domain. Maybe you will not heard about this platform before. In this slide, I just have the short comparison with the Hybris with the other platform. So this is just a very common comparison. So the first point is the open source platform. So SAP Commerce, Magento, Shopify is the open source platform. So it means that they open the shortcut, the core for everyone, for every developer. So it's very flexible and transparent. You can custom and do everything on this platform. But with Salesforce, this is the different one. This is not open source. If you want to work on the Salesforce, you have to buy or rent I forgot the name, but it look like the virtual machine, the sandbox. This is sandbox, and the core, the platform core will upload on this one, and they just open some public API or something like this for the customer can edit something on this one. So it is not too flexible for customization. And as I research, Salesforce also based on the Java core. But if you become the Salesforce developer or demandware developer, you will not work with Java. They just open something, and you just do some tickets on the JavaScript. They call it either demandware script or Salesforce script, but actually it is JavaScript. And with Magento and Shopify, it is PHP, and SAP Commerce is Java and Spring. So if you want to become the SAP Commerce developer, the backend developer, you have to some basic knowledge regarding Java and Spring. And the last one I want to share with you is the license. With Salesforce, actually they don't sell the platform by on the license. But as I searched on the internet, one company have to pay for Salesforce around $30,000 to $35,000 per year. With I could not find any information regarding Shopify, but with Magento, you have to buy at least you have to spend at least $22,000. But as I know, this is one-time payment, and with the Salesforce, this is the 1 year payment. So it means you have to rebuy after 1 year. But it's marginal, it's just one-time payment. So Salesforce is very expensive, right? And the last one is SAP Commerce. So in that slide, I also have the funny question for you. This is just the estimation, and please don't use Google, right? So can you guess how it's cost for SAP Commerce license? The suggestion for you, this is this is the same with Salesforce. You have to this is 1 year payment, and you have to rebuy after 1 year. And you can type in something on your estimation license on the chat box, and he can help me to pick the winner. One surprise gift for who can have the good answer. And the second question is, it is more expensive than Salesforce.
So it's more expensive than Salesforce. So now you can guess. So it's the year pay, like you need to pay it every year. Repeat it every
1 year
year.
payment.
When okay, I think that I already.
I saw very close answer.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah, 10 seconds for.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think that is the end.
Yeah, thumbs up. And the answer for this one is, the license is $54,000 per year. This is the minimum price for if you want to buy the SAP Commerce license. By the way, there are a lot of extra fee for this platform, but it's the minimum one. But if you want to use the stable version, most of the company I work on the past, they have to buy the one more license for Oracle, the Oracle database. So the price is mostly $50. It means that one company have to spend around more than $100,000 per year. You can see with this money, you in Vietnam, you can totally rent the dev team from 5 to 6 developer. You can build any open source, or you can build the e-commerce platform from the beginning. And this money you can pay for a salary or something like this. So that is the reason why some small or medium company, they will not choose the hybrid or SAP Commerce for your business. I also want to introduce some very big customer that are using SAP Commerce. So you can see at here, there are a lot of famous brands here. Example, Samsung, Starbucks, Vodafone. Yeah, you can see there are lots of famous brands are using the SAP Commerce. And Apple also is using SAP Commerce. You can easily find some recruiter new on the LinkedIn. Apple want to some new hybrid developer, hybrid BI or PM. This is where some famous client are using the SAP Commerce platform. So how to become the SAP hybrid developer? So as I said before, if you want to become the SAP hybrid developer, because hybrid based on the Java and Spring. So if you want to become the hybrid developer, you have to have some experience on the Java, on OOP definition, on Spring MVC, Spring Bean. And good to have if you know some the other like Swagger, ABI, Angular, jQuery, or CSS. With front-end developer, it's a little bit simple, very common required from front-end, right? you have to know HTML, HTML5, CSS, CSS, Bootstrap, jQuery, and especially Angular JS. Hybris also have some certificates, and Antti also put this one to the whitelist. It means that if you get this certificate, you totally claim the money from company. So there are 4 certificates here, and we plan that if any developer try NFQ, we will try the soft training around 1 to 2 months, and we will plan get some up certificate here by on the run. Example, developer or BM or BI, we will get the different one. And it's totally free. You don't need to sign any agreement or bonding contract or something like this. If you get this one, you can claim the money back from our company. And currently I mostly done the training session, the slide, the exercise, and the material for the training. So everything is ready for the new exercise, new developer right now. And in the very near future, our team will need a style sheet developer, and I hope that they can grow up more and more in the future. This is the training topics for SAP Commerce. You can see each topic always have 2 days, 1 day for lecture and 1 day for exercise. I will always here to support the new developer from the beginning. We will not let the beginner alone to learn the new technical, to learn the new platform. So we will have the long time for preparation, for the practice, for the exercise. So I can after this training, the developer can do most of the common ticket on the Hybris platform. The introduction before coming the demonstration. So this is time for Q&A. If you have any question or something like this regarding this platform, I can answer. If I cannot answer, I can not and answer the question later by email or something like this.